Hey folks, strawberry season is officially open, at least here on the Pacific coast of Southern Canada. Finally! So we thought, why not to go to a farm and pick some fresh, juicy and sweet strawberries, which we did eventually and brought a lot of strawberries with us. You might be now guessing what we are making in this episode. And your guess is absolutely right. We are making maple pumpkin pie. I'm just kidding. Of course, we're making something with strawberries. And to be precise, we're making 3 lovely strawberry desserts that I hope you're going to like the way that I do. And if so, give us some love in the comments below and share this episode with your friends. And without further ado, let's get started. The first dessert we're making today is strawberry mini tarts. To make the dough, whisk 1 egg with 60 grams of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 70 grams of vegetable oil and continue whisking. Add 180 grams of all-purpose flour and mix with your hands until well combined. Shape the dough into a ball, cover and seal in a plastic wrap, and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Prepare another bowl with 2 tablespoons of butter and set it aside. While the dough chills out in the fridge, we will make vanilla pastry cream. Take a stainless steel heavy-bottom saucepan and pour 2 cups of milk into it. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract to give it a stir and heat until just simmering. Turn off the heat and start separating 6 yolks. Whisk the yolks with 6 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a large bowl until well combined and smooth with no lumps. Go on with whisking and start adding the hot milk little by little. This will ensure that the egg yolks won't separate from the temperature of the milk. Whisk non-stop until all milk is added. Then pour it through the sieve into the same saucepan and put it on medium heat. Whisk constantly, reaching the corners of the saucepan until thickened for about 2 or 3 minutes. When ready, take the bowl with butter and pour the mixture through the sieve once again to reach the smoothest consistency possible. Take out the sieve and whisk to incorporate the butter. While it's still hot, cover the pastry cream with plastic wrap and let it cool in room temperature. Once cooled, chill it in the fridge for at least a couple hours. Now back to the dough. Unwrap the chilled dough and roll it out using a rolling pin, keeping the dough around 2 mm thick. To make tart shells, we will need a tart mold or something that can replace it. If you don't have a tart mold, turn over a cupcake tray to use it as one. You can do the same with cupcake liners, just make sure you use 3 or 4 liners for a single shell to make it sturdy. If you are using a flipped cupcake metal mold like I do in this video, grease the tops with vegetable oil. Then take a round cookie cutter slightly bigger than the surface of your DIY tart mold, cut the rounds and gently place them over the mold. Bake for 15 minutes in the oven preheated to 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. When they are ready, remove from the oven and let them cool for 5 minutes. Take the shells off the mold with a twisting-like motion and let them cool completely. To assemble the strawberry mini tarts, take the shells, fill them with chilled vanilla pastry cream, and decorate with strawberry quarters. To add some pizzazz, garnish with tiny mint leaves and dust with icing sugar. Serve and enjoy! The next dessert we offer is the strawberry mini domes. For 3 portions, take a large mixing bowl and combine 225 milliliters of well-chilled heavy cream with 35 grams of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and whip using an electric mixer. Whip the cream until soft peaks, then add 180 grams of mascarpone and whip again until the mixture easily holds the shape. Set aside. Slice about 200 grams of fresh strawberries so that each slice is about 2 millimeters thick. Take 3 mini bowls and line them with plastic wrap so that you have spare edges to cover the entire surface of the bowl. Place the strawberry slices into the inner walls of the mini bowls. We start with strawberries because we want the strawberries appear on the top of the dome when we turn the bowls upside down. Take a piping bag with a simple round tip or any food plastic bag like a Ziploc or the one for a sandwich and fill it with the cream. Don't forget to cut the corner of your piping or plastic bag before moving on. Extrude the cream into the strawberry bowls, making sure that cream covers the strawberries well. Stick the remaining strawberry slices in the cream and make the surface of the bowl even using a dinner knife. Press the cream and strawberries with a knife so that mini domes set better. Cover the bowls with the spare edges of the plastic wrap and chill the bowls in the fridge for at least 2 hours. When chilled, unfold the edges of plastic wrap from each bowl to open the entire surface of the dessert. Flip the serving plate onto the bowl, hold them together, flip again and gently take off the bowl and remove the plastic wrap. Mix together graham cracker crumbs and crushed toasted almonds and sprinkle around each dome using a spoon. Try it? Yum! For the strawberry frozen yogurt, dice 250 grams of fresh strawberries and place them into a small saucepan. Add 35 grams of sugar and cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Let it completely cool. To make it fast, pour cold water into a large bowl, throw a few ice cubes in it, and place a saucepan into the ice water. With the electric mixer, combine 250 grams of Greek yogurt and 150 milliliters of condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Fold in the cooked strawberries and mix with a spatula until well combined. Transfer the mixture into a rectangular glass loaf mold and send to the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. Before serving, take it out from the freezer and leave it on the counter for 20 minutes for softening. Scoop the strawberry frozen yogurt into ice cream serving bowls, garnish with fresh mint, and enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to Fabits to discover more delicious recipes and fun food videos. Also, check us out on Instagram and we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.